You did a presentation with the prospect. You make them aware about that opportunity. You give them exposure regarding your opportunity, whatever the opportunity you are giving to them. And what they will say, I will ask this to my friend, parents, and I will let you know. What? Really? They will ask to their parents, and after that they will let you know. And you will be feel glad that they will ask to their parents, and when their parents get agreed to that opportunity, they will start working with ourselves in this thing. And there you are completely wrong, because their parents will not get agree regarding that opportunity. Do you know why? Because they don't understand that opportunity. They didn't attend that opportunity meeting. So you have to give that exposure to their parents. So when your prospect says, I will ask this to my parents and I will let you know, they are throwing objection in your path, and you have to understand how you're going to tackle that objection in 5 simple steps. I'm Pransh Agarwal, business coach, entrepreneur, and influencer marketing specialist. So let's start the video. So first step you have to follow, you have to use field felt formula. Yes, field felt formula. Get angry with that prospect. Yes, when they are saying that I will ask this to my parents, when they get angry, then I will start this opportunity with you. So you have to say, I completely agree with you. When I first attended that meeting, when I first attended that presentation, I think that I have to ask to my parents, and when they will get agree to that opportunity, then I definitely start working in that phase. So what you did, you make the prospect relax. Yes, you make the prospect relax. You make the prospect from speaking mode to listening mode. Speaking mode to listening mode. So make the prospect relax. After that, you have to ask, you have to use second step. Is this the only issue you are facing to start that opportunity right now? Yes, ask this question to the prospect. Is this the only problem you are facing to start that opportunity right now? Wait for 5 to 10 seconds until your prospect reply to you. Or if they are not replying to you, ask this question again to them, that is this the only problem you are facing to start that opportunity right now? After that, they will say yes. Yes. Then you third step. If this thing get resolved, if your parents get agreed to start that opportunity, will you start this opportunity with us? Wait for their reply. After that, they will say yes, we will start that work if our parents gets ready for that. So after that, you have to use fourth step. What do you have to say? You attended that meeting with us. I gave the total exposure regarding that opportunity to you, not to your father, not to your mother, not to your sister, or not to your friends. So when you conclude that 1 hour presentation to your father, to your mother, to your sister, to your friends, what they will say? You don't have to start that work, because it's a marketing work, and you have to focus on your studies, or you have to focus on your job, you have to focus on your traditional business, but you don't have to do that thing. What you did? You give them conclusion of 1 hour in 5 minutes to your parents. Will they get agreed to your opportunity? Definitely no. Yeah, they have to properly understand regarding that opportunity, what this opportunity can do in your life, and how it completely changes your skills. Okay, make them understand this thing. And if they are not able to understand what this opportunity really have or can do in your life, then they will say no to you. Your business gets flopped before starting. Yes, your business gets flopped before starting. So understand this thing. You just have to properly conclude what are the things you learned, or you can arrange a meeting with your father or mother or sister with me, so I can elaborate them the whole concept regarding this opportunity. After that, you have to use 5 steps. Use 5th step. I know by conversing with you, I think that you are too intelligent and you can understand my points. That's the main problem in all over country, in all over the world, that human beings seek for the advice from a person who doesn't know about that opportunity, right? Who didn't thought till yet about that opportunity, who didn't know how this opportunity can make their future bright, how this opportunity can help them to achieve more profit in their life. So ask these queries from a person who already know about that opportunity, or the person who is already successful in that opportunity, in that marketing field, or in that whatever the opportunity you are pitching to that person. Okay, after that, for example, let's say you want to pursue MBA. Okay, but you are seeking for advice from a MTech student, MCOM student, how they will let you know that MBA is good for you, which MBA college is good for you or not. So seek for the advice from a person who is already successful in that opportunity. Okay. After that, when you state or when you conclude that 1 hour presentation in 5 minutes to your parents or to your friends, they will definitely say no, and your business gets flopped before starting. So before giving exposure to other people, before letting know about that opportunity to other people, you first have to understand that opportunity. You have to understand that opportunity. You have to conclude that opportunity before giving exposure of that opportunity to any person, or before explaining, elaborating that opportunity to another person. You must have to collect all the information, all the learnings regarding that opportunity. After that, you will proceed further to share, to pitch that opportunity to other people. So first, grab all the learnings regarding that opportunity. After that, you can share that opportunity to other people. So I'm concluding all 5 points which I shared in that video. First of all, you have to use field felt formula. Get agree with that person, so that person feel relaxed, and after that they come from speaking mode to listening mode. Second step, you just have to ask, is this the only problem you are facing right now to start that opportunity? Wait for their reply. After that, they will say definitely yes. You have to use third step, that if that problem gets resolved, if your parents, your friends gets agree with that opportunity, that you can start working in that opportunity, will you start that opportunity with us? They will say yes. Wait until they reply to you. After that, you have to use fourth step, that you are concluding that 1 hour presentation to your parents or friends in how much time? 5 to 10 minutes maximum, right? And they will agree to you. Definitely not. They don't know about that opportunity much, how this opportunity can frame your future, how this opportunity can improve your skill set, how this opportunity can generate more profit in your life. So how will they aggregate to your point? So they will definitely say you don't have to do that marketing or whatever the opportunity you are pitching to that person. You just have to focus on your studies, job, traditional business. Okay, so your business gets flopped before starting that thing. So understand this point. After that, you have to use fifth step. This is the main problem every human being struggle, that they seek for an advice from a person who is not successful in that field, who doesn't know about that field, who didn't thought regarding that opportunity till yet, who didn't know how this opportunity can frame their future. So you have to seek for an advice from a person who is already successful in that opportunity. After that, you have to move on. You have to start that opportunity. When you get a presentation regarding that opportunity, you just have to learn about that opportunity, how this opportunity can frame your future, total learnings, total information regarding that opportunity. After that, you can proceed further. You can give other people's exposure regarding that thing. So understand this concept before giving exposure to another people. You just have to grab all the learnings of that opportunity, so you can elaborate easily and in a convenient way to other persons, so they will listen to you and get agreed to you to start working in that opportunity with you. Okay, so I hope these 5 steps can easily solve your problem. That I will ask about that opportunity to my friends. After that, I will come back to you and start working that opportunity with you. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first, because I am uploading a lot of video regarding business strategies, how to handle objections in entrepreneurship journey, how to kickstart your entrepreneurship journey. So subscribe to my channel right now. After that, the main thing you will face when you are pitching any opportunity or you are giving exposure regarding any opportunity to the other people, they will say the market is so negative, I can't start that opportunity, the market is so negative. That's not the reason, that's a objection you have to admit. Watch out that video right now. Watch out that video.